Alright everybody, here's the little project that I finished up a while back. This is Cash's birthday present. It's got a full-size strobe light on it and clearance lights. He put a sticker on there, that was not me. It used to be yellow and it wasn't in very good shape, so we gave it a paint job. It's now red and gray. I added these two switches here which control everything. And this push buttons. It used to have, and this gas pedal came out of a Fisher-Price, Power Wheels Jeep, and so did the seat. I got this, it had no seat in it. It is powered by a large battery. It's in this little cavern right here. I have a post right there to charge it, that's positive. That's negative. If the battery charges up just fine. It also has sound via speaker. Pretty loud now. So now we can terrorize the neighbors. Cash, you want to jump in and take it for a drive? And you want to tell me about your fire engine you got for your 9th birthday, even though I got it to you late?
Well, it took a bit of a long time to fix it, and a bunch of pieces, even more than my Jeep. And after I got this, I gave my sister my Jeep.
Ah, you're a good little boy for doing that. Alright man, go have fun. We'll film you a little bit driving around, then I'll go put this on the computer. Mm-hmm.